Hey guys, welcome back to Palette Therapy. If this is your first time stopping by, my name is Keela. Hey. If not, thank you for the support. In today's video, I will be doing my 2022 vision board. I feel like this is the perfect way to start the year off with goals and positivity and things like that. So if you guys are interested in this video, please continue to watch it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below some of you guys' goals and visions for this year as well. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button because you don't want to miss anything. Now let's get into the video. Okay y'all, so excuse my voice if it sounds a little raspy. Down south we having some crazy weather. One day it's hot, the next day it's cold, and my voice is just not with the program. Okay, so first off, I printed off some things. I'm gonna move a little closer so you guys can see. I printed off some positivity things. So this is positive affirmations. These are just positive scriptures that I found. This is affirmations for female entrepreneurs. And I also printed out some Bible scriptures. I printed out some stuff for like mental health and physical health, because these are all things that I want to work on in 2022. So I just printed all that stuff off of Google. I got these letters from Hobby Lobby. This was $2.99. This was $3.99. I got these push pins from Hobby Lobby as well. They were like $3 or $4. And then I am going to be using a foam board, which was $6.99. And I got it from Hobby Lobby as well. I did pick up this SpongeBob decal from the Dollar Tree. I don't know if it's gonna stick to the board, but we will see, just because SpongeBob is one of my favorite shows as a kid and as an adult, just FYI. I'm going to cut this out, and I'll explain to you guys why I have some of the stuff that I have. So I have the female entrepreneur affirmations, because if you watched any of my businesses, you know, or any of my businesses, if you watch any of my videos, you know I started a business in 2021. And being an entrepreneur is not as easy as some people make it out to be. I mean, you have good days and you have bad days. You have good months, you have bad months, you have months where you get a lot of sales, you have months where you get no sales. But you still have to believe in your vision and your dream, and you gotta keep pushing. So these affirmations, I believe in saying affirmations just because they set the mood. You know, your mindset is everything. And so you want to have a good mindset, positive mindset toward things. And let's be honest, we're not always positive all the time. Nobody's, you know, happy every day. Sometimes we need a little push. So I'm hoping this vision board is my push. So initially I wasn't going to do a vision board, but my husband asked me to do one with him, and to be supportive, I said I would do one, and he finished his like right off the back. And of course I procrastinated, but I'm doing it still just to keep my word, and to also, you know, add some positivity to my own life and to, you know, what I have going on. I think it's a great thing to do. And then I found out that some of my friends are also doing vision boards, so it works out really well. So I'm excited to see what it looks like. This is my first time doing one. I normally just write all my goals and stuff down on a piece of paper or in my notes in my phone, and I just check in on them. So this will be my first time actually, you know, putting the pen to paper, I guess you say. I also have some positive affirmations for Christians. I found this on Google as well. And I have some positive affirmations for Black women. I found that on Google as well. I have different scriptures. So some of the scriptures I have is Jeremiah 29:11. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope in the future. Proverbs 3:5-6 is my favorite scripture. Trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not onto your own understanding. In all your ways acknowledge him, and he will make your path straight. I have some traveling things on here because I want to travel more. And I told y'all about the fitness and the mental health and just some positive stuff. So I'm going to cut this out and then we will be back with me pinning it down.
Everybody's been saying that you're up to no good. Everyone has been telling me that you got me hooked. You're playing it big time. You're feeding me lies. Everyone has been bugging me to sever the ties, but I would never, ever, ever would have believed them. No reason. Sometimes the truth is hard to see, but now the never, ever, ever seem to be over. I saw her, so I'm happy I got freed. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. I won, got it done. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky. I won't let the door hit when I leave. Should've known by your rap sheet that you weren't nice, but now I am telling you I'm going to smile. But I would never, ever, ever would have believed them. No reason. Sometimes the truth is hard to see, but now the never, ever, ever seem to be over. I saw her, so I'm happy I got freed. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. I won, got it done. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky. I won't let the door hit when I leave. I guess that I was born beneath a very lucky star, and in a week or two I won't remember who you are. Man down, he ran out of luck and now it's my time. Ain't no looking back, I'm on the right track. Here she goes. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. I won, got it done. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky. I won't let the door hit when I leave. I guess that I was born beneath a very lucky star, and in a week or two I won't remember who you are. I guess that I was born beneath a very lucky star, and in a week or two I won't remember who you are.
I know I'm acting stupid, but being dumb, maybe just a little bit foolish. I feel so young. Drunk, I've never seen you clearer than now. We're flying high, floating somewhere up in the clouds. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real, cause when we're doing our thing, we're like wheels that won't stop turning. So take me on a trip, 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 now trip, trip, trip. Oh, flick the switch, kill the lights. Oh, wasted. City lights are shining so bright. All these empty faces, we don't care about them tonight. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real, cause when we're doing our thing, we're the wheels that won't stop turning. I know we're acting stupid, we're being dumb, maybe just a little bit foolish. we're acting stupid, being dumb, maybe just a little bit foolish, but I feel so young. Just go a little crazy and lose it. I don't care if we're dumb, it's the only way we know how to do it. I feel so young, I know we're acting stupid, maybe just a little bit foolish. Just go a little crazy and lose it. It's the only way we know how to do it. Kill the lights.
The vibe is massive, it's supernatural. Keep it factual, you know you're maxing back. Look at the way they hold their chat. Honestly amazing, I want you on occasion. I can do you favors that I know he won't do for you. Yeah, I know what you want, you got it gorgeous. You're bad, you're tugging, it's talking me nicely. Just ease it up on me, I'm fighting the feeling, I'm keeping it cordial, yeah. I want you closer, you know where you started, you know that I need it. I can see it in your eyes, the way you move is so amazing. You say what I wanna hear, tell me it's all for me. Just show me you want it, you're ready. You say you're ready for it, you're ready. What are we waiting on? I know it's on your mind. You're ready, you want it for it. You've heard some things, people talk like they know the real me. Let me clear the air, I've made my mistakes, I've learned how to behave. I know I'm a stranger, but I feel acquainted. Reading the signs, we both got our damages. I don't wanna play it safely, with you it's different. You've been what I'm missing, real talk, no fiction. I get lost in